Chongqing is one of the Chinese fastest growing cities and home to over 30 million people in the southwest region of the China. Chongqing is a municipality in southwest China. It sits at the junction of the two rivers and it was historically a transportation hub between North and South China. It is known for its beautiful infrastructure and economic development, as well as its growing reputation as an international hotspot and tourist destination. Chongqing is China's real New York because of its unique combination of its impressive infrastructure and economic development. It can be a good choice for you who would like to visit China. Here infrastructure is really amazing, including tall buildings, subways, high-speed rails, complicated modern roads, and so on. I normally live in the center of the city, but today I have decided to go to the distant place in the suburb of Chongqing. The place is called Bishan. They told me this village is a beautiful place. Continue watching and we see together. In front, it is a tunnel. In Chongqing, you can find tunnels everywhere, with different lengths from 250 meters to 3 kilometers. It's a really good way to preserve environment. Crossing the tunnel, different view. Here it is the village and the air is fresh. After minutes we reach to this place. It is very mountainous and very beautiful. Here down here you can see a river with the water, but it seems to be stagnant. I have gone to this place with friends and we sit here to take a rest. As there are no shops in this place, we have also taken some food to cook. I stroll a bit to see what's around. Here it is mice. Yeah, it's a corn. And down there, let me continue. Let's see. Before me I can see paddy. I can see rice. That's a paddy. And it's very refreshing. Irrigation here, it is done well. Yeah. Irrigation method are really good. Here it is lotus. Maybe some people do not know it well, but in Asia it is used. There is lotus seed, lotus flower, and they eat it. Sometimes you can guess, you can think that it is omelette. Okay, I've seen everything. Let me return. Yeah, here there are chicken, there are hens, and this tree, I don't know what it is. Green and mountainous place. Different crops. So let me see one by one. Let's see one by one these crops. This one is eggplant. Yeah, eggplant. Here it is what it is, pepper. Let's see. Yeah, it is a kind of pepper. And here there are orange trees. And this one, oh, that's a melon, bitter melon. Banana tree, and then corn tree. Let's see, this is a kind of bean. It's called the asparagus bean. Yeah, asparagus bean. Then here others are cooking different foods and different dishes. Everyone is doing the dish from his country, so we are from different countries. Me too, I'm going to do mine. Let's say aerial photography. Now the food is ready. Let me taste and see. Very delicious. Delicious. 好吃. In Chinese we say 好吃. And the hot pot, which is a huo. Like a pot that you put on the table and cook the food just now and immediately eat it. So we're also going to use the meat. And these are the ones we are going to use in the huo. As you can see, there are sha. About 6 p.m. we return home. As you can see, it's already night. It's like 7:30. Down to the road for cars and up to the subway. I'm about to reach where I live.
必须得是中文。对，那必须得是中文。那要这样的话呢，可能有点吓人。
对。
它是国际学校的话，对于国大众就是普通老百姓来说，它是没有这么敏感的，因为一个是泰国，1.2线。
对。因为我们大学是研究商位的，
然后它会有很多。
So my friends, this is the end of today's video. Hope that you have liked it. I'll be going in different places in China, going around. Apart from teaching Chinese, I will also take you to different places of China. So click subscribe and thank you so much for watching. Bye bye, 再见。